All right, chef, while your scones are baking, we have the perfect amount of time to make our tea bags. We have sent you some chamomile flowers, hibiscus flowers, and oat straw. Give it a nice whiff. Just smell it and just let your body tell you like, what are you in the mood for? In order to fill this bag, you know, if you're a younger chef, you might want the help of your adult sous chef. And what you do is you just pinch the bag from the side, so you will see it will kind of open and like make a nice space for us to add our herbs inside. And then you want about 2 teaspoons of your herbs inside the bag. So I'm gonna mix that in. I'm gonna use a couple of my little spoons here of chamomile and a little bit of oat straw. We're definitely sending you more herbs than what you need for your 2 tea bags. So after you're done making them, you can save them. And if you don't have more empty tea bags at home, you can always just make this in a pot and add the loose herbs, add hot water, and then strain when you're serving. So you can check it out. I have about 1/3 of the bag filled, and this is nice for 1 cup. If you want to make this in a pot, again, just fill your tea bag a little bit more. Once that is done, you can pull the strings and then add to your cup and get help from an adult to pour some hot water on top. You can let it steam for 3 minutes and then you're ready to enjoy it.